we are gonna be showing you what to do and survive on flood survival. So, me and my sister is gonna be doing some pretty fantastic stuff. So, we're gonna try to survive the longest. This is part 2 of surviving the waves. So we're gonna be waiting to my sister join.
Hi.
So my sister is on. There she go. We all got Robux. What's up? And we is gonna have to survive. It's kinda all about parkour. For to survive, you parkour basically the longest. So I'm gonna go inside the castle. Do you think she's gonna stay? Do you? Uh-oh.
Good at parkour.
She says she's great. I could have killed you on a mistake. There you go. We survived the first round. There you go, guys. We are great. And I hope you subscribe to this channel. Thumbs up.
A temple.
Uh-oh, we on a temple. What you think, we do good? Will we not?
On top of this house.
Comment down below. And after this, you should go check out our other videos.
Like, subscribe, and comment down below in a comment below if you want more videos. Yeah.
Okay, guys, we survived another round.
Stop! You stop it. Medicine.
Can we survive this round?
Here.
Wasteland.
It's a wasteland.
I can do it. I know
It's a wasteland.
I play this game pretty much. So once you get the hang of it, when you get to every single map in the
Pretty
thing,
much.
once you go to every single map, that's where you know where to go every single time. Cause this game is all about waves.
This is my kingdom come. This is my kingdom come.
Don't ignore me.
This is my kingdom come. This is my kingdom come.
There you go. We won. Let's type in Lego. Lego. Sometimes, for no one won't bully, you might want to type something in, for they won't say you lost. You got evidence. You won. But sometimes they might change the stuff that they where you always succeeded. They might break it.
Lego.
We are gonna stay right here. Where was my sister? Oh. And we survived another one.
Look at this. Let's go. Look at this.
Dang it, I put the wrong thing. But it's okay. I said, Ori, this or glory. I meant to, no, you're about to die, Claire.
Baby,
Unless you come back up here. Yeah. Guys, I survived. This was a dude.
no else is going like that. Baby,
That's the one.
I got that, baby.
It's your strive.
And hit that button.